We're back to give you the legal edge. If your child has ever been injured while at their public school, it might have crossed your mind what kind of legal action, if any, you could take against the district. As attorney Brian Waldman explains tonight, the laws that apply to lawsuits or claims against state and local governments, so a public school, for example, are different than claims against private citizens and businesses.
We occasionally do get calls from parents who are understandably upset because their child has been injured at school. And they want to know, does my child have a claim or a cause of action for that injury, or can I bring a claim on their behalf? And those claims are not impossible, but they're very difficult. And here's why. In Michigan, there's a general rule that says that the government is immune from liability. In other words, you cannot bring a lawsuit for an injury claiming that the government caused that injury or was negligent causing that injury, unless that injury was caused by some very specific recognized exceptions to the rule that you can't sue the government. And in government school districts or public school districts are considered government entities. So governmental immunity applies to them. And some of the narrow exceptions to government immunity include things like negligent operation of a government-owned motor vehicle, or failure to maintain or repair a dangerous or defective condition of a building that's open to the public, a public building, or failure to maintain a roadway so that it's in a reasonably safe condition. And so those, maybe a public building might apply to an injury that happens in a school place, but most of those are not going to apply to school districts. The one other exception that applies to not the government entity, but employees of government entities, so potentially a school district employee, is something called gross negligence, more than just mere negligence. The conduct has to be bad enough that it's considered gross negligence. And gross negligence under the law is defined as conduct that is so reckless that it demonstrates a substantial lack of concern for whether or not an injury will result from that conduct or failure to act in a reasonable way.